Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, and today I'm in my greenhouse because it's freezing outside, so if you hear a little bit of rattling, it's because I've got a plastic greenhouse and the wind blows it quite a lot. Anyway, let's get down to what we're going to do today. Now, I bought this. It's a supermarket herb. It's a parsley. We get through a lot of parsley. I've only had it a few days, and look, it's gone all limp, leggy. We haven't used much of it at all, but if you look inside the pot there, look how many plants, they cram so many plants into one small pot. So I'm thinking what I can do, get rid of that bit, is split them up a bit, give the roots a little bit more room to grow, and hopefully we'll get a lot of use out of this plant. Well, it won't be this plant, it'll be a few plants. So let's take it out and have a look. Now already, I'll show you this, you can see it's root bound. Look, they're packed in there. It's a shame really. Anyway, I'll probably gradually tease these apart very carefully. Now they are going to need room to grow, aren't they, really? Let their roots spread. So there's one, and I'm probably going to get another one there, another one there. I'm going to get 4 plants out of the one. Now that herb costs £1.25. It's a growing herb. I'd rather use a growing herb than dried herbs any day. So we'll take another pot, a little bit of compost in the bottom there. This is just a general purpose compost, not too much, just a little bit we want there. Take your parsley and pop that in, nestle it down, fill it up with soil. See, the thing is, now it's going to have room to grow, isn't it? That's what I think, anyway. So, of course, a little bit later on, I'll be planting some out in the garden to grow. And tell you what I can do with this. It's still a little bit on the floppy side. I can prop it up, give it a little bit of support with a little stick there. Little piece of string. And I'll keep this fella in my greenhouse until it perks up a bit, which no doubt it will. It shouldn't take too long. And then we're going to have 4 plants instead of 1. So there we go. Give that a little drink. And there you have it. That's going to grow away quite well. I'll leave it here in the sunshine, and hope you've enjoyed this latest video. It's been quite a short one. I've enjoyed showing you what I do with these plants, how to propagate parsley, or pretty much any herb that you can buy in a supermarket. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.